Hello everybody, welcome back again. I have yet another junk journal kit that I want to share with you today that I have just listed in my Etsy shop. This kit has some page pockets. There's a pocket there, there's a pocket there, made out of book pages. You just glue it down 3 sides, leave a pocket behind if you want to. This is just a paper pocket here. It's got the little pocket there. These two are the ones that have the little edge folded in. So instead of just adhering down just a straight pocket and it's flat to your page, it's hard to get things under there. So this gives it just a little lift there. So you just got a little bit of room to stick something, a little more, it can even be something embellished. So there's 2 pockets ready to go. This is a corner pocket, and as you notice, everything in this kit's got a lot of the turquoisey blues and one of my favorite colors. And this is a flip-up pocket. So what you can do on this guy, you could glue here and here just on the bottom, just here and here on the side of your page if you want to. Then you've got a corner tuck here, and then you've got a flip up. You could put pictures, journaling, whatever you want to in there. That's just one idea. You can do anything you want to it. Glue it any way you want to. These are 2 of my coin envelopes that I recently made that have the little string closure. So much fun. You can get all kinds of goodies in there. Here's a fabric envelope that has just a little plastic snap. This is another little coin envelope, a little bit smaller. And of course, you know I have to put my belly bands in there. I love these guys. They are so much fun. So these are just clusters of lace and fabric and buttons and beads and just beautiful stuff to embellish your journal. You can glue the 2 edges down and it becomes a belly band. Horizontal, vertical, doesn't matter, however you want to make them. And then you also get some altered paper clips, altered safety pin that I have beaded myself, hanging the dangles there. Here's another safety pin that I made with fabric. And let's see, you get this beaded dangle. I hope you can see this. This is so much fun. On the bottom of this dangle is a little bead hanging there. It's created to look like a miniature perfume bottle. It has a little star on the front of it. So I hope you can see that on the video. Here's another dangle, and another dangle that you get. This one has a little charm. It says Princess. And then I'm also adding these little paper flowers. It's done kind of like paper quilling, but not exactly. They're actually borders that you roll up and glue. So all of this kit comes together. Anybody who loves turquoisey colors like I do, you'll love this kit. Makes a great gift for anyone. And like I said, it is available in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.